To get into the tree pose, transfer your weight over to the left side, reach down and hold on to your ankle and place the heel as close to the groin as possible. Keep the proper alignment in the tree pose. Press back with the left thigh and straighten your spine, lengthening your upper body. If you're not able to take your heel closer to the groin, start placing your heel closer to your knee, keeping the right hip joint externally rotating, and then slowly come up as you maintain your balance.
Begin to lie down on your back and place your heels as close as possible to your butt and hold your ankles. Make sure your thumb is outside, and when you're ready, slowly inhale and lift your hips all the way up. So try and reach as high as possible, but your breath should be in the normal range, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. You want to release the posture. Exhale, gently put your hips down to the mat and relax in Shavasana.
From a comfortable sitting posture, come into the box position. Keep the wrists directly under the spine, under the shoulders, the knees in line with the palms, directly under the hip. The movement is only in the back and not in the limbs. As you inhale, you drop the back down, the head up. Exhale, you arch your back up, look at your knees. Inhale, exhale. You can continue to do this how many ever times you feel like. Inhale and exhale. Sit back whenever you feel like there is too much pressure on your wrist. You can practice this asana how many ever times a day you feel like, and you can practice this asana safely right through your pregnancy.
Adopt a medium stance with your heels in line. To be sure, you can move to the back end of your mat and keep the toes parallel to each other. Turn the right foot out towards the right side. The hips and the shoulders will continue to face the front. As you inhale, extend both the arms up in line with the shoulders. Exhale into the posture, placing the right palm on the right shin or the right ankle. If the neck allows, turn the head and look up towards the left fingertips. Hold the posture for a few breaths, and to release, inhale out of the posture. Bring the feet back together in Samasthiti and repeat the same sequence on the left side. If you are unable to place your palm comfortably on the leg, you can use a block in your practice. To begin, adopt a medium stance with the heels in line and the toes parallel. Turn the right foot out to the right side. Place the block outside the right ankle. The hips and the shoulders are squared to the front. Inhale both the arms up in line with the shoulders, and as you exhale, place the right palm on the block. You can gaze to the floor or look up at the left fingertips. If this is comfortable, you can move the block to the lower level. Stay here for a few breaths, and as you inhale, release the posture. You can repeat the same practice on the left side. Another prop that you can use to practice this posture is the wall. The usage of the wall ensures that the shoulders and the hips remain open to the front throughout the practice of Trikonasana. thus giving you the maximum benefit of the posture. To begin, stand with your back to the wall. Adopt a medium stance with both your heels in contact with the wall. Turn the right foot out. Inhale both the arms up in line with the shoulders, and as you exhale, release the right palm onto the right leg. Both hips and shoulders will remain in contact with the wall. If the neck allows, look up towards the left palm. When you use the wall, you may not reach all the way down to your ankle, but the stretch you experience will be deeper. Inhale to release the posture. Turn the right toes back in and return to Samasthiti.
First, go to a mountain posture. Place your palms on the mat. Drop your head down. Stretch your tailbone up. Now inhale, push your shoulders forward such that you go to a plank posture. Don't drop in your shoulders. Lift your shoulders away from your ears, your nose parallel to your ground, and push your shoulders in front of the wrist. This is a proper plank to do Vasisthasana. Now engage your core, breathe from the sides of your abdomen. Now gently drop your right hand down and then take your left palm up. Try to press the right palm from your armpit. Don't drop your hip down. Lift your hip up. Engage your glute muscles. Pull the navel inside. Push your pelvic bone up. Gently take your left palm up and then turn your neck. Look at your left palm. Keep lifting your hip up. Stay here for 4 to 5 breaths. If you're not able to do a proper plank, it's okay. You can take your one leg out and then lift your hip up. Look at your palm. After gaining your stability here, you can gently shift your leg up over the other leg and then stay. Keep lifting your hip up, don't drop your hip down. And then exhale, come down, repeat the same with your other side.